Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox. So first of all, I will download Windows 10 ISO file. I will open the Google search bar and I will type download Windows 10, and then I will go to this Microsoft official website. So from where I will download Windows 10 ISO file. First I need to click this download now, and it will start the download process. So the installer file will be downloaded. Now I'm going to just right click and I will open this installer file, but I have to open it as an administrator. So right click and run it as an administrator. Make sure you run it as an administrator. Click yes. After that, I'm going to just follow the process. I will just follow the instructions. It will take few seconds, few minutes to ready. So be patient. Okay, now from here onwards, I'm going to choose the second option since I want to download the ISO file. So click next. Uh, I'm going to uncheck this and let me select the architecture. Since my Windows is 64-bit, so I will select 64-bit. Edition is 10, language is English United States. I will click next. I'm going to select ISO file, click next, and I'm going to choose the directory where I'm going to download this Windows ISO file. So I have already created a folder in my E directory and the folder name is Windows 10. I'm going to download it over here. So click save and the progress has started. It will take some time to complete. Maybe it will take around 20 to 30 minutes depending upon your internet speed. It will take time. So we are done. Now I'm going to click finish, and this is going to take few more minutes to complete. So just wait. We are done. So now I'm going to go to my directory where I have downloaded this ISO file. Let me just open this file for you, and let me just go to the properties over here. So go to the properties. So the size is around 4.55 GB. So now what we will do, we will open the Oracle VirtualBox. So search Oracle VirtualBox. So I have already installed this virtual machine. So if you do not have it, you first need to install it. It's very simple. Oracle VirtualBox. So now I'm going to create a new virtual machine from here. So now I will set the name of my virtual machine. So I will set as WVM, Windows Virtual Machine. ISO image. So let me just select then ISO image. So I have downloaded the file in my E directory Windows 10 folder. So I will select my ISO file. And now we are done with this step. The next step I will set is the username. So username I will set as W10 user, and the password I will set as 123QWE 123QWE. So this is just for the purpose of demonstration. I'm using this password, so I will change this password later on. So what about the product key? I don't have a product key at the moment, so I will just set the product key as 0. Everything will be 0. What about the hardware? So the hardware I will set the memory as 4 GB, and the processors I will give 3 processors. What about 50 GB, which is recommended? So now I will click finish. So the moment I will click finish, it will power on the virtual machine VM. So I just need to wait. Everything will be done by itself. Let me just maximize it, and you just need to wait. So as earlier I told you, I don't have a product key, so I will click I don't have a product key. So the installation process has been started. It will take some time to complete. So just be patient and wait until this is done and dusted. So we are done. After taking some time, it has finally installed the Windows 10 operating system on VirtualBox. I haven't done anything during the process of installation, all done by itself. Okay. So I hope you have gone through the process of installation. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.